Well, it's beautiful and sunny out here. It's not exactly the kind of weather that you want your heat pump to die in, but guess what? Mine did. The week before I was supposed to be gone for like 2 weeks, so I had to solve that problem because I couldn't have my house with no air or fan or anything going on for 2 weeks. So, I got a new heat pump. So this video I'm going to show, oh no, I need to clean that, Donna. I'm looking into solving that problem as well. So this video I'm going to show you how I cooled my house when my heat pump refused to work after 23 years and how my new heat pump is working. Fans in front of bowls of ice. Fans outside blowing air in off the cooler side of the porch. More fans from the front porch. Hey, that's progress. I got it down from 91 degrees to 89. Hottest day of the year, and my heat pump has to be like dead. More ice in front of the fans. All ceiling fans are going. I'm trying. If only those would turn into rain clouds and blow a really nice breeze out here, we could cool this thing off. I can't complain about it at all because it's 23 years old. You can see that it's just, it has given me many years of excellent service. It's an old Carrier, but she's just not humming. She's just ready to go to the big graveyard where old heat pumps spend eternity, I guess. Don't even know where that is. Rest in peace, darling. You have done your duty. I thank you for years of service. Mwah! I got on Facebook and asked who might be able to put a new heat pump in for me. I also got on Home Advisor and was given a very high quote by Sears and a reasonable quote by a company who's actually right down the road from me. I hated not to use my previous guy, but he was so busy he wouldn't be able to get to it until the following week, and I needed it put in the next day. That is the beautiful sound of my crew backing out and air, cold air in my house. Awesome. It is now 1:08. It's currently 87 degrees in the house. Let's see how long it takes to get down to, I don't know, 72 or so. It is definitely a lot smaller. It's supposed to be more energy efficient. Problem I knew was coming is now solved. Ten minutes later, 1:18, it's down to 84 degrees. This house is about 2,000 square feet. It is, yeah, middle of the afternoon. It's an hour later and it's down to 83 degrees, but the house feels great and feels very good in here. 2 hours later, and we're down to 81 degrees. It feels really good in here still. Very comfortable. And it's working fine because it says it's 77 degrees in here and I have to keep bumping it up because it's cold in here. The heat pump has been in for 16 days now and is working beautifully. I found a calculator online that estimated that the heat pump would probably pay for itself within the next 15 years. So that's good. Thanks for watching my video about my heat pump troubles and my new heat pump. Remember, it's free to like the video, it's free to subscribe to my channel, it's free to share this video if you want to, and until next time, stay cool. And if you have time, watch one of these videos before you go.